if you in any way provoke him, or if I may say so, poke the bear, then even hell hath no fury to match his scorn, and only God may help and save you. Let me share a secret with you all today, that I have faced such wrath of this bear many times. Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, the experience was not pleasant. As a judge sharing the bench with Justice Qazi Faez Isa, I have learnt a lot. Where many like me would keep quiet and feel shy to openly admit that they are not clear about legal proposition, Justice Qazi Faez Isa openly admitted that he would require the assistance of the worthy counsel. But when it came to the rights of women, and more particularly cases relating to their inheritance, Justice Qazi Faez Isa would leave no bounds to ensure the preservation of their rights, and that too with the full might of the court.